Vortex the tube containing the library normalization beads, or LNB, for 1 minute to resuspend the beads. Pulse vortex the tube at an angle versus with a vertical alignment. The skirt on the tube may make angling difficult, however, resuspension is drastically improved. Use a pipette set at 800 microliters to pipette the LNB up and down 10 times to ensure resuspension. Invert the tube to be sure there is no bead pellet present at the bottom of the tube. Immediately move on to prepare fresh LNA1 and LNB master mix in a conical tube for addition to previously prepared samples. After incubation on the magnet, keep the plate on the magnetic stand. Without disturbing the bead pellet, use a multi-channel pipette set to 200 microliters to remove and discard all supernatant from each well. Proceed immediately to the next step. Do not allow the bead pellet to sit for an extended amount of time without liquid present. To begin the washing steps, remove the BBN MIDI plate from the magnetic stand. Add LNW1 to each library well using a multi-channel pipette. Incubate the MIDI plate on the magnetic stand for the appropriate time according to the protocol. When the incubation on the magnetic stand is complete, keep the plate on the magnetic stand. Without disturbing the bead pellet, use a pipette set to 200 microliters to remove and discard all supernatant from each each well. After the final wash is complete, use a 20 microliter pipette with fine tips to remove residual supernatant from each well. Immediately after the final removal of residual LNW1, remove the MIDI plate from the magnetic stand. Add eluate solution to each library well of the MIDI plate. When subsequent incubation on the magnetic stand is complete, keep the MIDI plate on the magnetic stand and carefully transfer the eluate from each library well of the MIDI plate to the corresponding well of the new PCR plate. If beads are aspirated into the pipette tips or bubbles are present, dispense the beads back into the plate on the magnetic stand and then wait until the liquid is clear, approximately 2 minutes, before transfer.